What you ought to know about camping. Is camping something you'd like to do in the near future? It is important to plan no matter how long your trip will be. The information in this video can ensure that your next camping trip is as relaxing and fun as you desire. If your canteen is beginning to smell musty, you can give it a good cleaning with baking soda. Place a little bit of water in your canteen, and then add 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Shake gently, let it sit for 60 minutes, and then rinse with water. Your canteen will be refreshingly clean. Dryer lint makes wonderful kindling to start your campfires with. Around 4 weeks prior to camping, start keeping the lint that you clean from your dryer filter. You can hang a bag next to the dryer and just stuff your lint into it. By doing this, you'll have all the kindling you need. If you will be camping somewhere that is very far away from civilization, then make sure you have told several people where you will be as well as how long you are intending to stay. Ask them to call you on the day you are supposed to return to ensure your safety. Purchase some special camping pillows. Regular bed pillows will feel hot and sticky during humid weather. Mildew can grow in it when they absorb the moisture from the air. Pillows specifically designed for camping will not draw in wetness like regular pillows will. This can be especially important if you are camping with children and need to keep track of their whereabouts. One thing that many people forget to pack on a camping trip, and which quickly turns the trip into a nightmare, is bug spray. This simple repellent will save you both annoyance and can protect your health, as many types of bugs can do a great deal of damage to you quickly. After watching this, you should be well prepared for planning your next camping trip. It does not matter whether you are camping for 1 night or 2 weeks, you still need to carry out extensive planning. Make use of your research and start planning for your camping trip today. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.